Let's face it, the world of online side hustles is a constant roller coaster. But is Amazon Merch on Demand still a worthwhile ride in 2024? First, consider the competition. It's fierce. Millions of designs are already uploaded. So, step 1 is niche down. Don't just sell cat shirts. Sell sarcastic cats reading philosophy shirts. Get super specific. Next, quality designs are absolutely crucial. You can't just slap some clip art on a shirt and expect sales. Either learn design software like Adobe Illustrator or hire a talented designer from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Step 2, invest in good graphics or design skills. Step 3, diversify your product offerings. Merch on Demand isn't just shirts anymore. They offer hoodies, pop sockets, mugs, and more. Experiment to see what sells best in your chosen niche. Fourth, optimize your listings. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and bullet points. Think like a customer searching for your product. What words would they use? Step 5, promote. 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 Don't rely solely on Amazon's organic traffic. Share your designs on social media, run targeted ads, and consider influencer marketing. Finally, track your results, see which designs are selling well, which aren't, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Analyze your data to maximize profits. Remember, Amazon Merch on Demand still has potential, but it requires dedication, creativity, and a strategic approach. Good luck.